Someone and women of Hi, welcome back to Mzansi Overloaded, the only channel that will direct, dissect, and expose everything happening in Utsando so you don't have to. I'm your host, your bestie, your resident polygamy therapist, and but home yesterday's episode had me throwing my remote at the TV. Let's get into the video. First things first, Umakhumalo, my love, my sister put the victim card down slowly with both hands. Yes, her feelings are valid. Yes, she was treated badly, but this woman is standing here with a straight face pretending she changed after that Bahamba your song. Sissy, you didn't change, you never changed. You were pissed the moment you found out Umakhwela was pregnant, and that's when dead laughs came off. And the real reason she cannot stand Umakhwela is because Umakhwela gave Mselegu a child, something Umakhumalo unfortunately cannot do. And to make it worse, the maid went and paid lobola for her. Each that one had to sting. Now, Mselegu's point was that Umakhumalo has always known about his relationship. She's always been in the loop. So why is this one a problem? And honestly, he's not wrong. If you go back and watch all season, you always see Umakhumalo and Mselegu talking about his supposedly girlfriend at the time. Even Umakhumalo would always be aware when Mselegu was dating other women outside of the marriage. Like Umakhumalo was running background checks on this man lab life like it's a full-time job. But with Umakhwela, she was not aware ukuthi kuzoba nentombi yasesigodini sangakibo ezongena iphinde igane uMselegu. So ingakho shem simbona eqasuke kakhulu usisi. But here's the thing, Macele is perfectly fine with Umakhwela, specifically Umakhumalo is a problem. So now she's out here acting like the HR department of this marriage, approving CV, conducting interview. Sissy, who made you the hiring manager? And then Umakhumalo had the nerve to tell Mselegu that he's too old to be chasing young girls because it's degrading his status. Was it not degrading when he came for you? That age gap was not small, my friend. Let another woman eat like you did. The audacity is suffocating.
I can't just get her out of my mind. Okay, see, the problem is...
Okay, so here's where it gets juicy. Umakhumalo is hinting that Mselegu only married Umakhwela because of the pregnancy. And honestly, she might not be wrong and she might also not be right. Because Mselegu literally told Usamke her job is to give birth and expand the family. Baby, you did not marry a wife, you hired a contractor. The real reason he married Usamke goes deeper. Macele had said, if you're too scared to bring in another wife just because you are scared you are seen as a failure who cannot build his own family. And Umakhwela said, if wife number 5 uyangena mina ngiyaphuma. And guess what? Umselegu had to prove them wrong. As in, I'm not a failure, and had to prove Umakhwela no mungahamba thina sizosala sincenga wangena ke Usamke kanjalo ke. And Umakhwela did not go. So Mselegu married Samke to answer both of them at the same time. 2 beds, 1 lobola, and Michael is sitting there unbothered running the whole show because at the end of the day, it's her word that carries the most weight. I mean, uNdlunkulu once akhulumile sekakhulumile ayikho into ezoshintsha. Now this part sent me completely over the edge. Are you ready? Mselegu went to Umakhumalo's neighborhood to find wife number 5 because, and I quote, that era produces the best wives. Say, you basically went to the factory to get a replacement model. You looked at Umakhumalo and said, I want another one of these, but in a different color. Umakhwela and Umakhumalo laughed at the fact that Usamke is basically Umakhumalo's twin. Because the audacity of this man to go wife shopping using Umakhumalo as the reference point and then have the nerve to act surprised when Umakhumalo is offended. And Umakhumalo said she is not replaceable, and she's right because Samke is nothing like her. Umakhumalo is not out here working. Umakhumalo is out here working hard, building an empire, while Umakhwela wants to be a stay-at-home mom with 10 kids if possible. Ma'am, this is not a soccer team. Come on. Because I mean, Mselegu needs 10 kids to make them 20. Like there's only 9 left. Now, before we close, can we talk about how this house has a long history of disrespecting women? Before Umakhumalo was married to Mselegu, the wife thought she was the house helper, unini wabantwana. Others said she was the one esha iskupe esontweni. I think those words were said by Umayeni or Macele, I don't remember. Only to find out she is the girlfriend. What a way to be humbled by whom. And the same thing is happening to Umakhwela because apparently, according to Umakhumalo, uMakhwela is just there ukuthi ezosiza umsele ngokwenza abantwana abe yi-baby making machine njalo njalo. The cycle of disrespect in this house is generational. And finally, Mangwabe said she's not leaving, she's here, she's planted. So it's everyone who thought her leaving would bring them joy. And we all know that dig was aimed straight at Maqele. Mangwabe looked at Exito in the face and said, Andizi, not today, whatever. So that's your breakdown, and I need answers in the comments right now. Is Umakhumalo a victim or a villain? Is Mangwabe the real boss? Is Maqele the real boss of this family?